Django Ajax Jquery call. This may be basic, but I spent 2 days, read countless tutorials, and I still cannot get this to work. For simplicity, I tried to accomplish a basic task just to see it work. I want to make an Ajax call to my donate view. I see that it successfully passes through, but I was expecting that my template would also get updated to true, but it remains false. Any help or suggestions I appreciate. My jQuery. This is my view. My template include this. Update/solution. Like mentioned in the comments on this question, I was not doing anything the return data. I updated my success call to the following and it worked.
I think the problem is at where you pass the data. Do you use Firebug? An excellent tool for checking if you pass anything in post. It is an excellent tool for web development in general. Here's a working example for sending Ajax call from a form. And then your view can look something like this. BTW, unless you really need all the extras from $.ajax, I would suggest you to use $.post instead, as it seems more straightforward to use.
I think there are a few things that are wrong with your code. You are sending a post request to Django without CSRF_token. Django will not return a success for this request. You need to send CSRF_token with post request. Check with Firebug. Even if Django is not giving any error, then you are not changing the content of your page on browser. Anywhere, Django will send back this string, success. That's all. You need to change your code like this. Add Django.core.context_processors.csrf to template processors in settings py to get access to CSRF token in all templates. Your current template. Donate view. Now you will see successfully saved -if successfully saved data. Error in saving -if data not saved for some reason. Error in getting from server -if server responded with some error.
The request .is_Ajax test checks whether the HTTP_x_requested_ with header exists, which Jquery should be setting before it sends your request. If you use XMRequest manually, you have to add that header manually as well. I personally like to go a different route, because it's easier to test and doesn't rely on HTTP headers, adding a query parameter to the URL such as type =Ajax. You'd then change request.is_Ajax to request.get type null == Ajax, and in your JavaScript change URL column donate to URL column donate a type =Ajax. The nice thing about this approach is you can test these calls without using Ajax, just by adding that type =Ajax string to any request.